How are you guys? I'm Relor Daniels here from AW Freelance, and as we discussed before, we are going to make a brand new thing in our channel, just to make everything cool. Also, we need to be aware of the basics of technology and how the world is going. So the first thing we are going to teach you in the first tutorial, we are going to teach you the websites designing, or in other words, the front end development. I will make this a full course. This is the first tutorial in it. So the first thing is how to make your own website in just a few minutes. Okay, I will show you now how to do that. The first thing is we need to make the basics. We will need HTML or CSS or JavaScript. Uh, we will mix those languages to make our website. But the basics of the of the website will be the HTML. It's the basic. After that, we will get the assistance from the CSS, okay, which is cascading style sheet, is to make everything cool. The design will be more cool, which make the website spectacular. We have a lot of websites nowadays, so we need an idea which makes um, our website spectacular. So I will show you now, without getting a lot into the topic, I will show you now how to get started. To get started, we need to have text editor, okay, or IDE, but I use text editor as Notepad++. So I will go to Notepad++. I will search Notepad++ on Google, and I will download Notepad++ like that. Okay, this is what are we going to do. After that, we will do we will go here, or we can type in Notepad++. Just started with that. We will like it. Just to make the things clear, we can create a file here called test1. Okay, test1. Let's get in. It's the first thing. Okay, let's get started with that. To declare that this file will be for the HTML, I will click Save As from the File menu, and I will go to the desktop where I created the file, and I will name this file with test1. Okay, and I will change the type into HTML. Let's do that. Hypertext Markup Language, HTML. So save. Now it's clarified for the editor that it's the HTML. But let's get started with our few words. HTML. HTML. I will explain what does that mean. Those two tags or scripts. Between them, we will have our main our main tags of the file, of the website. In fact, we will have something like head script and head closing script or closing tag. Okay. Inside the head tag, we will have the title. I will explain that for you, but let me write it now and I will show you. Okay, so after head, we have the body. Okay, so just want to tell you something. Concentrate with me. Between the HTML opening tag, this is called the opening tag. Okay, this is HTML, this is the opening tag, and this is the closing tag. Okay, between those tags, we have other tags. These tags also will be the basics of the website, as the head is the head of the website. Means like when you are going to a website, you have something like this icon, okay, like that on your browser, and it's including. So the head, as I told you, is when I go to the web browser, I have a link or I have a tag of the app, or mean the tag of the website. This tag of the website will include the icon of the website and including the name of the website. So it will include the title inside the head, as I told you. Okay, title will be just like test 1 from AW photo lens. Okay, so the body. Let's get started with the body. The body is the basic content of your app, of your website. Sorry, the website of your website. Because if we get started and write something like hi, we have new course in front and development. Okay, so what are you thinking about? What does that code run? Let's see. First thing I will save, and maybe I will try to run, but from the run I will go there, just like that. I will go there on the file that I created before, and I will tap on test 1 just to see. You see, as I told you, okay, this is as I told you before. So this is the main thing. Okay, this is the main thing. We can create more, but in a simple way. This is how to make your website. As I told you, let's have a summarize for what I told you now. The HTML is the main text that I need to have in my HTML file. The head is the place like that. Okay, you see, this is the head. This is the head. The head includes test from AW photo lens. So this is the head. Yeah, okay. So the head includes the title, which is test, as I showed that for you, test 1 from AW photo lens. The body includes hi, we are having a new, we have new course in the front end development. This is the body. We can create more cool things in the body, but I tell you the most basic thing. You can create that website and tell me in the comments um, what will happen with you, and you can show me that and tell me how does it going with you. Okay, and I'm really happy to have you here, and I hope that you enjoyed my first tutorial. I know it's simple, but it's just the first tutorial. I hope that you keep up with that and subscribe to my channel AW Photo Lens, and comment, subscribe, and tell me your feedback. I hope you like that. Thank you so much, and see you in the next tutorial. Have a good day.